Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using Godaddy. First, you will need to select a Godaddy website builder plan that fits your needs, whether for a small business or a personal blog. Next, choose a memorable domain name that clearly reflects your brand. Once you have your plan and domain, simply log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the website builder dashboard to start building your site. It's a straightforward process designed for everyone. After setting up, the next exciting step is designing your site. Godaddy offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so you can easily find one that suits your industry or personal style. Once you've picked a template, you can customize it extensively. Change colors, select new fonts, and adjust layouts to perfectly match your brand's look and feel. Don't forget to upload your unique logo and position it prominently on your new website. Now it's time to bring your website to life by adding content and features. Populate your pages with engaging text, high-resolution images, and captivating videos to tell your story. You can easily integrate crucial elements such as contact forms, interactive maps, or direct links to your social media profiles. If you're selling products, Godaddy's Builder allows you to set up a fully functional online store with detailed product listings in just a few clicks. Before launching, it's vital to review your website thoroughly. Use the preview function to see how your site appears on different devices, like desktops and mobile phones, ensuring a consistent and appealing look. Take a moment to optimize your site for search engines by adding relevant keywords and descriptions, which helps people find you. Once you are completely satisfied with every detail, simply click the Publish button to launch your professional website to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.